Hi, I'm Jo and I'm your online workstation assessor. Interesting questions been posed to me recently. What causes upper back pain in females? I'm going to give you 2 reasons. Yeah, unfortunately we're blessed with boobs. Now, boobs obviously can be lots of different sizes, and if you are blessed with bigger boobs, what you might find is it causes a bit more upper back pain when you're working, and it's purely because weight's pulling you forward. And so what you need to do is look at how you're working at the desk and make sure everything is correct for you to help just make sure that you're counterbalancing that. So if your back is hurting, if your upper back is hurting between your shoulder blades, there can be 2 reasons for this really. One is to do with the sitting height, and the other reason is to do where your elbows are when you're working. So let's have a look at both of them. I'm sitting on a hard capisco post today, which just will help to show where my arms are and everything. But effectively, so let's look at the first reason, sitting at the wrong height. So if you're sitting too low and your elbows are below the desk, when you're working, you tend to have to raise your shoulders and lean forward a little bit. So there's more strain going through your upper back. The second reason can be if you're sitting too high. So say your elbows are a long way above the desk, you end up dropping down and working like this, which again puts more strain through your upper back. So what you want to do is sit at the right height. So to find out the right height, what you want to do is relax your shoulder and form a right angle at the elbow, and then your elbow and your forearm should be in line with the desk. This means that you're then working at the right height. Okay, so the second reason was if your elbows are too far forward when you're working. If when you're working you end up stretching your arms too far forward, you get more strain through the upper back. Now a good reason or a good way of being able to see this is if you hold your arms out and wiggle your fingers like this, then you get a lot more strain through your upper back. And so if you just move your elbows back here, the muscles relax. So let me show you on a desk. So effectively, if you're working like this, more strain, and then just bring your elbows back, and there's less strain going through the body, so it'll hurt less between your shoulder blades. Hopefully you found those useful, and it's given you just a couple of suggestions you can look at and ways to reduce your pain. The other thing you need to look at is whether or not you need to strengthen your back muscles as well. So we've got something called a Posture Corrector Kit, which has got a massage tool to help release the muscles even, and then a band to help strengthen them, and also a brace to really help with the posture. And that'll just help if you have become very rounded. It'll just help to open you up again a little bit. Can you do me a favour? If you found this video useful at all, can you like it, because that helps other people to find us as well.